everybody, it's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you a different style of a wig that I've already reviewed, featuring Eunice hair, or Unice, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, I said that last time. But when I originally did this video with this hair, I had it in more of a body wave style. So I decided to go from body wave to deep wave using this new crimp iron or wave iron that I just purchased. And I will leave the information down in the description box below, but you'll see it here in a minute. So I wanted to go and do a different kind of style from what I had initially. So if you want to see how I went from bone straight / body wave to deep wave, stick around. All right, y'all, so I am starting out using a couple of T-pins just to make sure this wig is secure on my canvas head before I begin. Now I'm just brushing the hair to make sure I get out any potential tangles. Okay, now I'm going to take my Layla Ali hot comb and just kind of rake it through some of the hair while also getting the parting area as flat as possible. All right, y'all, so for this look, I am using my brand new Bedhead A Wave We Go iron that I just purchased from Amazon. And I really like this iron because it has multiple settings where you can either achieve a loose wave, a medium wave, or even a deep wave. I'm using the second setting for more of a medium to deep wave for this particular style. I will leave the link in the description box for the Amazon site that I purchased it from. Now I'm going to spray some of this Cream of Nature Anti-Humidity Gloss Shine Mist all throughout the hair before I begin using the iron. So when using this iron, I typically hold it on the hair for about 5 seconds just to make sure that I get a nice crimp. And you may notice a little steam or smoke, but that's just because I sprayed it with that anti-humidity gloss spray. It's not damaging the hair at all. I think I only have the temperature on about 300 to 350, and the maximum temperature is 400 with this iron.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me.
So you'll notice the best way to use this type of iron is to fall into the previous groove that you created. It's kind of hard to explain, but just fall into the first iron with the last iron, or maybe it's vice versa. It's really hard to explain, but just follow that type of pattern when you are using this type of iron. So I basically repeated these steps all the way around the wig unit until I have now reached the front of the wig. I'm really glad I decided to do this on the mannequin head instead of my own head. This was a whole lot easier. So then now all I have to do is install it on my own head and go. Much easier. Now I'm just going to spray some more of this anti-humidity gloss shine all over the hair. And she is ready. We have gone from straight / body wave hair to this now deep wave. Okay, so now I have pulled this face together and I am ready to install this wig. Okay, I'm taking some 100% rubbing alcohol just to kind of rub some of this makeup off around the perimeter before I lay this gel. This is the Got To Be Glue styling gel, Invincible styling gel, all around my perimeter before I lay this wig down. After applying the gel, I'm going to add some of this Got To Be Glue Free Spray for a little more of a maximum hold, although it's not as permanent as the, Gold Bond wig glue. I've never tried that. I may one day, but this seems to work for me. It's not as permanent. It doesn't take a lot of work to get it off. You just have to submerge it in a whole lot of water. And now I'm just using my blow dryer on the cool setting to get it a little dry and tacky before I lay down the lace. All right, so now that I have secured the lace, I am going to get my parting area in order along with these waves. I started combing this by accident and realized it's not really the look I want, so I started using my fingers. I kind of wanted to keep the waves and just kind of finger comb it. Now I'm adding some mousse to the parting area to get it to lay as flat as possible for a more natural look. And I'm using my blow dryer, which is a nice trick to get it to lay down at those particular areas.
Without falling apart. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now.
I'm using this little cotton face pad just to wipe away any excess gel or freeze spray that I may come across. You see these ear tabs? These ear tabs are the devil for me because I can never get them to stay down. So if you have any tips or tricks, please leave them down below so that I can practice it. At least for this style, it didn't matter as much because you couldn't see it anyway. But all right, everybody. So again, this is the final look of this hair after washing it, letting it air dry, and then restyling it to this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to go ahead and remind you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit that bell notification so you know the next time I upload a video. And be sure to share it with your friends and family. Why not? Somebody could use this helpful tutorial. So again, thank you for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.